Here's the top 3 reasons why cooking shows fail. Reason number 1 is you never get started. The most common excuse I hear is that you don't have time. The real issue here is a lack of knowledge. If you know how to produce a cooking show the right way, it actually takes less time and effort than what most chefs are putting into Instagram. And a cooking show produces better results because with a full-length cooking show, you can generate a full-time income from cooking just one dish per week. But if you just keep saying you don't have time, you'll never have a cooking show because you're never going to just magically have a bunch of free time. Most chefs stay stuck right here saying that they don't have time and their cooking show fails because they never even get it started. Reason number 2 is you can't figure out how to set up the equipment. The chefs who move past the I don't have time problem actually get some equipment together and try to record themselves cooking. And it doesn't work. Something doesn't work or everything doesn't work and it ends up being an unproductive day of frustration and they just quit and never try again. Just like with problem number 1, the real issue here is a lack of knowledge. You don't know how to set up your equipment to do a basic recording, and as long as that remains true, you won't have a cooking show. The first recording day is always a nightmare, and that's where most people quit, and that's why a lot of fantastic chefs do not have a cooking show. Reason number 3 why most cooking shows fail is you can't figure out how to keep creating episodes. The chefs who get started and survive their nightmare first recording day now face the challenge of figuring out how to keep the show going. Most chefs can't figure it out, and they never make it to 10 episodes. Or if they do make it to 10 episodes, the episodes are spread out over a year or longer, which basically means you started and quit and started and quit over and over again. Think of it like this. If you own a restaurant or a food truck or a catering business, your business will not succeed if you're just open once in a while. If you don't have regular customers, your business will fail. The only way to have regular customers is by offering a consistent service. You're open consistently and the food and the service you provide is of consistent high quality. The same rules apply to your cooking show. If you don't deliver it consistently, it's going to fail and be a waste of your time. Delivering it consistently means delivering one new episode every week. This is how you build a loyal audience that you can turn into loyal customers. Think about whatever your favorite TV shows are, past or present. They did not become your favorites because they came on once in a while. Your favorite shows came on every week, and that's how you became a fan. Most chefs can't figure out how to deliver a new episode every week, and that's why their cooking shows fail. Again, this is a lack of knowledge because when you know how to produce a cooking show, not only does it fit into your existing schedule, it actually gives you more free time because you earn a full-time income from publishing just one cooking video per week, which means you can stop doing other things that require you to trade your time for money because you no longer need the money. All 3 reasons that cooking shows fail boil down to one thing, a lack of knowledge. And all you have to do to solve that problem is click the link in the description box to apply for a strategy session so I can work one-on-one with you to help you get your cooking show started and keep it going with a new episode every week. You can change your life with a cooking show, but you don't know what you don't know, and that lack of knowledge will keep you stuck right where you are. I'm here to help you, but you have to reach out and ask for help. Your life's not going to change until you decide to change it.